I'm Maria, project manager at Wildflower Health, and in this video we would like to tell about the long-lasting partnership between Coherent Solutions and Wildflower.
My name is Keith Yeager and I'm CTO at Wildflower. Wildflower is a company that builds healthcare apps for the American market. The apps are designed to help families manage and track the health of their families and improve their health over time. Our clients are the largest insurance companies, hospital chains, large employers, and Medicaid plans that all form the healthcare ecosystem in the United States.
I'm Kate. I'm a lead business analyst at Wildflower project. The initial idea was to help women have healthy babies, digitally guide them through their pregnancy and postpartum journey, identify their risks, and connect them with personalized care. The additional goal was to minimize cost of pregnancy support both for patients and payers. The goal has been achieved by preventing risks of pregnancy complications and their timely treatment. The solution was to create a mobile health platform focused on maternity first of all. That would support mobile engagement for consumers plugged into the healthcare systems to work with healthcare enterprises, specifically payers, main Wildflower customers. This made it possible to build a better predictive models about identifying who is going to have a risk, preventing this risk, and treat this risk.
Hello, my name is Paul. I work as full-stack developer at Wildflower project. We use TypeScript as our main programming language. On the mobile side, it's a hybrid application based on Cordova and React. Our backend is a distributed service on Node.js, and our API is made with the help of GraphQL. Inter-service communication is implemented on the base of Kafka queues.
Initially, in 2012, it was only 4 people who launched UDIT+. It was a pregnancy-oriented mobile application with 75,000 users. The team grew over time and reached its maximum of over 50 people in 2022.
My name is Gleb. I'm working as front-end developer at Wildflower project. I guess that our team is friendly. Most of us are working remotely. Different locations and different time zones don't disrupt communications between team members. All of us get work promptly and do everything possible to resolve critical problems and work as a single mechanism.
We have team building activities organized in different locations.
Wildflower team is more like a tight community where people complement each other's skills and help their colleagues grow.
The flexibility and the drive of the people within Coherent to learn new things has been important to us and has helped us keep pace with many different technology changes over the last 5 years. I think the biggest benefit that we've received from Coherent is their ability to grow with us as we've grown. We started with Coherent with 2 people, and at that point in time there were just 3 of us, essentially the founders of the company. So the Coherent people were our employees number 4 and 5. Coherent has been there and grown with us.
Over the years, working at Wildflower, I've become full-fledged, confident full-stack developer. Before starting the project, I've concentrated more on front-end part of work. But now I can easily build backend designed according to all the client's needs.
I'm working at Wildflower for more than 2 years. During this time, I've got experience as a part of the big team and leveled up hard and soft skills. I started to work as a front-end developer at Coherent Solutions. And now I'm on the path to becoming a full-stack developer because I have backend tasks too.
I joined the Wildflower team 10 years ago as a junior QA. The project allowed me to build and master my leadership skills, and later on I was offered the position of a project manager.
The company in turn provides courses and trainings for employees, both for technical and soft skills.
The company helps me to grow as a specialist. I have an opportunity to take a variety of courses in different areas. Also, we can attend meetups prepared by our colleagues to share some knowledge.
I'm Olga, QA lead at Wildflower project. Everyone on the client side is always open to dialogue. In 2022, a business trip was organized to Portugal, where American and European teams worked offline together for a week. The client's CTO, Keith Yeager, met with the Coherent team in Poland and Lithuania in 2023. Before that, meetings like these were held in Minsk and USA.
3 times increased high-risk identification, 38% fewer missed appointments, 20% lower emergency room visits. Regarding cost cuts, it's about $2,000 savings per engaged user without high risks identified, about $43,000 savings per engaged user at high health risk.
About 80 apps were released in the past 10 years. In 2012, we launched the first mobile app for pregnancy. It was an enterprise software solution for healthcare.
In choosing to work with Coherent Solutions, I am guaranteed that the people I work with will be continuously upgrading their skills, communication, technology, team skills, process skills. Coherent is the best organization I've ever worked with in terms of continuously advancing the skills of their people.